Augusta Precious Metals vs Goldco. Augusta Precious Metals vs Goldco review, which is better? How do they compare with each other? If you're looking to buy precious metals, chances are you've looked into Augusta Precious Metals and Goldco. While both companies have a reputation for quality as the best investment in gold IRAs, there are differences between them that may make one or both more appropriate for your needs than others in their market space. These include price, commission structures, or lack thereof, secondary market trading limitations and storage options. To help you decide which of these two offers better value for your money, we've taken an in-depth look at each of them. With Augusta, there are no hidden costs or commissions built into your prices. All buying and selling takes place on their non-commission trading floor, which means that you're always getting exactly what you pay for, as it should be with precious metals investment. Another benefit of Augusta is that they'll buy back metal at any time based on current market value. You won't have to wait until a new shipment comes in if you need cash now. As you can see, Augusta definitely has some advantages over other precious metals dealers out there and may be more appropriate for your needs. For example, if you're looking to sell a large amount of gold, they have very competitive pricing that gets even better when you take advantage of their bulk discount deals. They also offer discounted shipping rates based on volume purchases that might not be available with other sellers. If you're looking to buy gold for retirement, Augusta might be more advantageous for you as well because they have very competitive pricing that's even better if you're able to take advantage of their bulk discount deals and multi-purchase volume shipping deals. Augusta's minimum to open an IRA is $50,000, while Goldco's minimum is $25,000. What are the differences between Augusta Precious Metals versus Goldco in comparison to each other? Augusta Precious Metals may have a longer and more complicated name, but that doesn't mean it's any less than superior than its competitor. In fact, there are many reasons why Augusta Precious Metals is better, especially for those who want to start investing in precious metals for financial security as well as for hedging against inflation. Here are a few of their key benefits. They are one of only a few gold, silver, and platinum dealers in America who do not sell jewelry at all. Because they don't have to focus on sales of other products, their prices can be very competitive, even lower than Goldco's prices when you factor in what you would save on commissions. In addition to avoiding commissions altogether, Augusta Precious Metals also has extensive experience in both working with gold and precious metals, which means that you can rest assured that your investments will stand up as well as any other precious metal investment. If it sounds like Augusta Precious Metals is worth checking out more closely, request your free info kit at easygoldinvestments.com. You won't regret it. How does Augusta Precious Metals compare with Goldco, based on key metrics like price, quality, service, trust, etc.? Not only does Augusta offer lower prices than Goldco, but they also beat them in terms of quality and service. In fact, no customer has ever registered a complaint against them with BBB or any other entity, something that can't be said for Goldco. If you're shopping around for precious metals, check out Augusta first before buying from anyone else. They are definitely the best gold IRA company in my honest opinion, with Goldco following at a close second place. Do you have any personal experience with Augusta or Goldco? As a satisfied customer of both, I can personally vouch for their top-notch service and commitment to quality. If you're looking to buy precious metals, I strongly recommend checking out both companies first before making a purchase. You won't regret it. What would you say to a friend who was looking to purchase gold or silver? I'd personally recommend Augusta Precious Metals as my top pick, based on their stellar track record, excellent customer service, and top-notch quality products. Gold Self-Directed IRA. What makes Augusta Precious Metals stand out compared to its competitors in this niche? When it comes to precious metals investment, there are hundreds of options out there for anyone looking to invest in bullion or coins. However, when it comes to providing customers with top-quality products and services, Augusta Precious Metals stands head and shoulders above its competitors. It's time to take a look at what makes Augusta Precious Metals stand out compared to its competitors in this niche. As you'll soon discover, Augusta takes every step possible to ensure that it offers its customers with nothing but quality products and services, designed to keep them coming back for more time and time again. We know that you want to find out more about Augusta Precious Metals and how it stands apart from its competitors, so let's look at what makes it such a popular choice with customers all over America. Are you ready to discover why Augusta is considered to be one of the best precious metals investment options available today? If you're looking for a reputable, reliable, and trustworthy precious metals dealer that offers nothing but high-quality products and services, then Augusta Precious Metals is definitely worth checking out. However, before you do that, make sure to read on so that you can discover exactly what makes Augusta such a popular choice among customers all over America. You'll soon learn how easy it is to get started with Augusta and why investing in gold or silver bullion through them is such a good idea. How is Augusta Precious Metals better than its competition Goldco? If you're looking to sell your gold, then you have plenty of options to choose from. Augusta Precious Metals has long been one of them. So, how is it better than its competition, Goldco? Well, that depends on what you're specifically looking for. Are you interested in speed and cost effectiveness, or would you rather deal with a company that gets involved at every stage of your transaction? Now that you know about Augusta Precious Metals, you're probably interested in what sets it apart from its competition, Goldco. Well, for starters, if it's speed and cost effectiveness you're after, then Augusta Precious Metals offers one of the fastest transactions on record at its non-commissioned sales floor. Now that you know about Augusta Precious Metals, it's time to consider what sets it apart from its competition, Goldco. When considering both companies, speed and cost effectiveness are likely at or near the top of your list. However, many don't know how Augusta compares to its competition. Are there any noteworthy differences between Augusta Precious Metals and its biggest competitor, Goldco? Augusta Precious Metals boasts a record of 0 complaints, which puts it in a league of its own. Additionally, non-commissioned sales staff ensures that customers' interests remain at heart and not on commission, further strengthening Augusta's reputation as an honest and reputable business partner. If you're looking for an alternative to Goldco's standard commission-based service, you may want to reconsider your options and give Augusta Precious Metals a try. Notable differences between Augusta Precious Metals and its biggest competitor, Goldco, include a record of 0 complaints, non-commissioned sales staff, and free same-day delivery service. NFL legend Joe Montana was actually a customer of Augusta Precious Metals before becoming a spokesperson. Many people know Joe Montana as a football hero, the Hall of Fame player who led San Francisco to 4 Super Bowl championships and earned MVP awards 3 times during his 15-year career. Joe Montana was actually a customer of Augusta before becoming their spokesperson. Augusta was happy to have Joe Montana as a customer, and their relationship only strengthened when he became one of their spokespeople. Montana helps people enjoy precious metals, just as he did during his NFL career when he led San Francisco to 4 Super Bowl titles. Augusta was thrilled to have him on board as a spokesperson and truly honored that their relationship grew from customer to partner and beyond. About Augusta Precious Metals CEO Isaac Nariani. Isaac Nariani, CEO of Augusta Precious Metals, has a wealth of experience in precious metals trading and investment management. Mr. Nariani began his career at World Stock Exchange in 2005 and has served as a branch manager since that time. During his tenure at WSE, he actively traded stocks and options on behalf of clients across Europe and North America and gained extensive experience with different financial instruments related to equity markets. In 2010, Mr. Nariani founded ACPM Group LLC, now known as Augusta Precious Metals, which is dedicated to help individuals trade and invest in various commodities such as gold, silver, platinum and palladium. Mr. Nariani has served as a managing director of ACPM Group since its inception and has been instrumental in growing ACPM's business operations and client base. According to Mr. Nariani, clients will never be misled or confused when they visit an Augusta Precious Metals branch or call our customer care team. They keep things simple by providing clear information about investments that are secure and straightforward. About Augusta's Director of Education, Devlin Steele. After graduating from Harvard, Devlin spent over a decade working as a commissioned salesman in one of my country's largest precious metals dealers. During that time, he noticed that many people purchasing gold and silver end up feeling overwhelmed by all of their options: silver bars, gold bars, rounds, or coins. Should I buy numismatic collectibles or bullion? How much do these things cost anyway? These are just some of the questions you might have if you haven't purchased precious metals before. If so, consider getting to know Augusta Precious Metals. He felt it was very important for my customers to be confident in their decision when buying gold and silver. Not making a decision at all isn't an option. With that in mind, Devlin decided to put together a Precious Metals 101 guide full of tips and advice that would help make your purchasing experience as simple as possible. Devlin and his team also conduct one-on-one video webinars for each client, explaining in detail how everything works, as well as answering any questions a potential client may have. To get a free guide now, visit easygoldinvestments.com or call 1-800-953-3538.
I'm sure after watching this presentation, you can see why Augusta Precious Metals is a top company for a gold or silver IRA. They really care about their customers and make sure they are well taken care of. The next step is getting in touch with the friendly, helpful staff for a free IRA guide and a zero sales pressure informational webinar with Augusta's education team, who will explain to you all the details and answer all of your questions. Request information online by clicking the link below the video or visit easygoldinvestments.com. You can also call Augusta at 1-800-953-3538. Once again, the number is 1-800-953-3538. Thanks again for your time today. I'm Anne from GiveMeTheGold.com, wishing you the best of luck on your financial journey. Take care.